we are calling for the government to employ more lecturers in the universities. Therefore, the dream of retrenching any member of academic staff from universities, we will resist in the strongest terms possible.
How can you imagine that you can retrench or lay off learned people? You think these are gunias that you can lay off anytime you feel like? These are people who have chewed books. You cannot lay them off. Universities are not going to open in September before the Cabinet Secretary of Treasury and Cabinet Secretary Minister of Education releases help and scholarship for last academic year. If you don't release the help and scholarship for last academic year, get it from me, there will be no learning in public universities in Kenya. I've said, if you don't sign our CBA in the next 2 weeks, prepare for the strike.